Hi friends, it's Miss Mitchell and today I'm going to be working with you on the problem set for lesson 32 and it is in your Eureka Math Learn Book pages 139 and page 140. So I'm going to give you about a minute to find page 139 and then we'll begin. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing it says listen to the word problem. Then you're going to fill in your number sentence. Alright, number 1 says, Celia has 9 bows. Some have polka dots and some have stripes. How many polka dots and how many striped bows do you think Celia has? So I'm going to read it one more time and so I'm going to break it down. Alright, Celia has 9 bows. How many? 9. Very good. So I'm going to draw squares to represent the bows. So I'm going to draw 9. I'm going to also group these by 5. And I'm going to count to make sure that I have 9. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, we have 9. So Celia has 9 bows. All right, it says some have polka dots and some have stripes. However, we don't know what some is, so let's keep reading. How many polka dot and how many striped bows do you think that Celia has? So, with this problem, we can really just go any way with this. So I'm going to use my green marker to represent polka dots. So I'm going to do this is how many I want to have polka dots, okay? And then I'm going to use the rest using just a different color marker to represent how many bows we have that have stripes. Okay, so let's count to see how many we have that have polka dots, and then we're going to count to see how many we have that have stripes. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have 7 bows that have polka dots. And then we have 2 bows that have stripes. So how we can write this in a number sentence, we're going to read the problem one more time, okay? It says, Celia has 9 bows, some have polka dots, and some have stripes. How many polka dots and how many striped bows do you think that Celia has? We know that Celia has how many how many bows? She has 9. We know that she started off with 9 bows. Now, we just said that Celia had 7 bows had polka dots. So I'm going to write the number 7 in one of my boxes right here. And then I'm going to write the number 2, and the number 2 represents how many bows we have that had stripes. So this simply says Celia had 9 bows altogether, and then she has 7 bows that had polka dots, plus she had 2 bows that had stripes. So 7 plus 2 equals 9. Give me a thumbs up if you have this. Good job. Let's do another one. Listen to the word problem. Keegan has 10 trains. Some are black and some are green. How many black and green trains do you think Keegan has? So, I'm going to read that again. It says Keegan has 10 train cars. Some are black and some are green. How many black and green train cars do you think Keegan has? All right, so I'm going to get my black and my green marker. And I'm going to go ahead and write our number sentence that was provided for us. So we know that Keegan has 10 train cars. Now we have to figure out how many are black and how many are green that Keegan has. All right. So I'm just going to let's use the black marker. Let's see. First, I'm going to draw circles to represent. I'm going to draw 10 circles to represent how many train cars we have, which is 10. Now I'm going to go back and count and make sure that I have 10. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thumbs up if you drew 10 circles. Very good. All right, so now I have to determine how many are black and how many are green. So let's see. I'm going to color this many. Green. And I'm going to color the rest black. Now let's count to see how many green cars we have and how many black train cars we have. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many green train cars do we have? What'd you say? 4? Very good. We have 4 green train cars. Now let's count to see how many black train cars we have. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many black train cars do we have? You said 6? Kiss your brain, you're exactly right. We have 6 black train cars. So our number sentence says we started off with 10 train cars, and then we found out that we have 4 green train cars and we have 6 black train cars. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. You have it? All right. Now let's turn to page 140. And we're going to start in that top left corner. So it says Kate has 9 heart stickers. Some are yellow and the rest are green. Show 2 different ways that Kate's stickers could look, and then we're going to fill in our number sentences to match. So I'm going to read that again. Kate has 9 heart stickers. So if you look on your page, they already have provided 9 heart stickers for you. So I'm going to go ahead and write what they have in your book for you on my dry erase board. And they have 9 heart stickers, and as you can see, they do have them grouped by 5s. The first row has 5, and then the second row has 4. Now it says some of them are going to be yellow, and then some of them are going to be green. Miss Mitchell does not have a yellow dry erase marker, so I'm going to use red to represent yellow. But if you have yellow, you can use yellow. I have to use red, okay? So let's see. I think I'm going to color this many red, then I'm going to color the rest green. So we're going to count to see how many I colored red and how many I colored green. You ready? We always count from left to right, so let's start over here on our left, and let's just count how many red hearts we have. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. How many red hearts do I have? You said 3. You're exactly right. So I'm going to write the number 3 in this first box right here. All right, so let's count how many green hearts we have. So I'm going to start here where that first green heart is, and let's count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many green hearts do we have? You're right, we do have 6. So I'm going to write the number 6 in this second box right here. All right, so I'm going to read our number sentence. Our number sentence says 9 equals 3 plus 6, or you can say 3 plus 6 equals 9. All right, we have 3 red hearts. That's why the number 3 is here. And then we have 6 green hearts. So 3 and 6 equals 9. If you got this answer, give yourself a thumbs up. Good job, friends. All right, but remember the question asked us to show it a different way. So we just showed 3 plus 6. Now we have to figure out another way that we can show this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to erase my board and rewrite it. I'm still going to be using the same colors, red and green. Except for this time, I'm going to change it. Let's see how many I can color red. Let's see. Let's count to see how many red hearts we have first. So put your finger underneath that first heart and let's count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I colored 8 red hearts. So I'm just going to write the number 8 in this first box right here. Then we need to count how many green hearts we have. Ready? Go. 1. So I'm going to write the number 1 right here in this box. And then I'm going to read our number sentence. It says 9 equals 8 plus 1. Or when you look at the picture, you have 8 red hearts and you have 1 green heart, which makes 9 hearts all together. If you got that as your answer, thumbs up. All right, now down at the bottom, I'm just going to go ahead and read the story while you all finish this problem. It says Danny has 10 robots. Some are red and the rest are gray. Show 2 different ways Danny's robots could look. Fill in the number sentences to match. All right, so we know that Danny has 10 robots, right? Now we have to find a way to figure out how many robots he have that are red and how many robots he has that are gray. Ms. Mitchell does not have a gray dry erase marker, so I'm still going to use my red marker, in your case the red crayon, and I'm going to use a blue marker to represent the gray. So instead of me drawing robots, I'm actually just going to draw rectangles. I'm going to draw 10 rectangles. All right. Again, the story says Danny has 10 robots. Some are red and some are gray, but we're going to use blue. Show 2 different ways that Danny's robots could look. All right, so what I'm going to do is, with my red marker, I'm just going to color some robots red. And then with my blue marker, I'm going to color the rest blue. All right, let's count to see how many red robots I have. Ready? Go. 1, 2. How many red robots do I have? Good job. I have 2 red robots. So I'm going to write the number 2 in this first box right here. Then we need to count how many blue robots we have. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many blue robots do we have? You're exactly right. We have 8. And so our story says we have 2 red robots and we have 8 blue robots, which makes a total, or how many robots we have all together. We have 10 robots all together. All right. So that's one way you can show how to get 10. Now, it's asking us to show one more way. So Miss Mitchell has already colored some robots red, and she's also colored some robots that are going to be blue. So all we have to do is just count to figure out how many we have so we can complete our number sentence. So let's count to see how many red robots we have. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many red robots do we have, friends? 5. You're exactly right. We do have 5 red robots. So I'm going to write the number 5 down here in this first box. Then I'm going to count how many blue robots we have and then write that number in this box. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many blue robots do we have? We have 5. So I'm going to write the number 5 in that box. Now, our number sentence says 5 plus 5, or 5 and 5 equals 10. We have 5 red robots and we have 5 blue robots, which gives us a total, or we have 10 robots all together. If you were able to complete this problem, kiss your brain. You're so super smart. And that concludes our problem set. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson. See you next time.